everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make fudgy brownies topped with Cadbury Creme Eggs. This is the perfect treat for Easter. To get started, set up a double boiler. Fill a pot with a small amount of water and put a bowl that fits on top. Turn the heat to medium and add 250 grams of butter, 200 grams of dark chocolate, and 100 grams of milk chocolate. Let this sit to melt and stir every now and then to let everything melt evenly. Once it's completely melted, take the bowl off the heat and set aside to let cool while we move on to the next step. Use another large bowl and add 300 grams of brown sugar, 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and half a teaspoon of salt. Whisk until everything is combined and smooth. Now add the chocolate and butter mixture to the egg mixture and whisk until combined. Then sift in 175 grams of flour and fold that in. And that's it for the brownie batter. Spray an 8 or 9 inch square baking pan and cut a piece of parchment paper. I cut the corners to make it fit without wrinkles, and the spray is used to stick the paper to the pan. Add all the brownie batter and wiggle the pan to get it spread evenly. Now get your cream eggs out and cut them in half. Cut along the seam to get an easy, clean cut. I'm using the mini eggs, but you can of course use the bigger ones. Place them on top of the batter, cream side up randomly or in straight lines. I ended up using 9, but use however many you want or fits in your pan. Bake in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Once out of the oven, let it cool completely before cutting into them. And now you can cut them into squares. You should get around 16. And that's it! This is the only fudgy brownie recipe you'll ever need. If you don't like cream eggs, that's fine. You can add your favorite chocolates on top or keep it plain. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try, and have a happy Easter! Thanks for watching! Bye!